Dart is a scalable language that you can use to write simple scripts or full-featured applications. Whether you are creating a mobile application, web application, command line scripts, the server-side applications, there is always a solution for you in Dart. Dart is created by Google, which leaves us with no doubt that Dart has excellent scope in the future, as the name Google itself creates a vibe trust towards the language. Welcome to the course. My name is Adeleye Ayodeji, a full-stack web and mobile application developer with over 7 years of experience. Here I present before you the course where you will learn all the fundamentals of that programming language and use it in your own applications. The course has been divided into 12 sections, each comprises multiple videos. In the first 2 sections, you will install the required software and get introduced to Dart, and thus write your first program in Dart. Proceeding in section 3, 4, 5, you will explore various built-in data types. Along with this, you will also be able to explore various control flow statements such as conditional statements and also loop control statements. Now moving on to the section 6, you will learn how to define methods or functions in Dart and exploit various types of functions such as optional positional parameters, optional name parameters, and default parameters. Along with it, in the same section, you will learn how to present a function as expression by using the fat arrow notation. Then finally, in the section 7, you will explore how to handle the exceptions and make your code robust in Dart. In the next section of 8 and 9, we will dive into core programming concepts of Dart, such as object-oriented concepts. These include getter and setter, special types of constructor present in Dart, and also how to implement inheritance in Dart. In the same section, you will understand various other concepts such as how to perform polymorphism, like method overriding, name constructor, abstract classes and methods, and how to implement interface in Dart. Proceeding in section 10, you will dive into performing functional programming similar to any other modern programming language. Dart has excellent support for functional programming. In Dart, we treat function as first-class objects, so you will explore what are lambdas, higher order functions, and how to implement closures. Finally, in the last section, you will dive into Dart collection framework and see what is the list map and also the sets. Then you will also proceed in learning queue, hash map, assets, and also linked list in Dart. Buy the course today and get the best out of the course. Thank you so much for visiting this course. See you in the course. Bye.